a great skill to create unique and appealing home decor item that you can sell online. Here are some cool welding projects that you can consider to make and sell. Good morning and welcome back. I hope you people are doing so well. In this video we are going to show you some easy welding projects that you can create in your garage and at home or at a weekend, and you can sell it online and earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Create intricate design of custom pattern using metal rod or the plotters. This can be abstract shapes, nature inspired motifs, and the personalized signs. Welding fibers can be a popular item for outdoor enthusiast design fabricators. Fibers in various shapes and size, incorporating unique pattern and the customized logos. Welded metal planter can add an industrial and the modern touch to any home or garden. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create interesting design. Use your welding skill or a craft sculpture for various metals such as steel, copper, animal, and the abstract form. Geometric shape can all the popular choice. Design and weld stylish shelves that can be used for displaying book, plants, or a decorative item. Consider incorporating wood or a glass element for added visual appeal. Create unique key holder by welding metal hook onto a decorative metal plate or the frame. Personalize them with initial names and the design. Weld custom wine rack with style and the functional design. You can experiment with different shapes and the configuration to create a visually interesting and appealing piece. Fabricated metal candle holder with intricate design and pattern. Consider incorporating different metal or adding a colored glass accents. Metal weld frame for clock, combining functionality with artistic design. Experiment with different shapes and the styles to create eye-catchy timepiece. Create one-of-a-kind metal structure frame that can be used to display photo or art frame. Experiment with different texture and the finishes to add a visual interest. Remember to consider the market demand, pricing, and the shipping logistics. When selling your creation online, promote your product through social media platforms, craft fairs, or the online marketplaces to reach a wider audience and increase your chance of earning a handsome amount of money. While unique and stylish wall shelves can be used to displaying small decor items, books, or plant. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create functional and visually appealing design. Create custom coat rack and you can sell it online and earn a handsome amount of money. So here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are searching for how to reuse your scrap metal in a better way, then you are at the right place. In our today's video, I am going to show you some scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do-it-by-yourself projects have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and the functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are a seasoned do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin. A metal garden rails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you can use a variety of scrap metal pieces to create a trails that fit your garden style. Start by creating frame for your trails using scrap metal pieces, then add additional pieces of scrap metal to create a trails pattern. Once you have completed your trails, you can use it to support climbing plants and add some visual interest to your gardens. A fire pit made from scrap metal is a great addition to your backyard. You will need a large metal bowl or a bucket and some scrap metal pieces to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal pieces together to create a base of your fire pit. Then place the metal bowl or a bucket on top of the base and add some wood or charcoals. Once your fire pit is lit, you will enjoy a cozy fire on a cool evening. A metal bookshelf made from a scrap metal is a great way to add some industrial style to your home. You will need some scrap metal pieces and some wooden shelves to create this project. Start by welding a scrap metal pieces together to create a frame for your bookshelf, then attach a wooden shelf